Okay. Awesome. Yeah.
I mean, it feels good, honestly.
Deep breath for me, bud. All the way out. Nice. He's young, so he moves really easily. Deep breath for me, bud. All the way out. Good. Got a side for me. Good. Deep breath in. Nice. Man. Woo! Let's go face up.
Yeah.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Perfect. You okay?
Yeah.
One more. Oh, yeah. Good.
Fingers for me, yep, and open your arms up and relax your head back. Take a breath in and out and let this just drop back. There you go. All right, now come on.
Okay, let that shoulder go up. Perfect. Come on up. Excellent.
But they also don't hurt, okay? Usually don't hurt. We'll just go right here and I'll give it a quick little bump, and it makes a lot of noise.
Let this roll down and let everything roll over.
Oh my God.
You guys hear that already? Just we're gonna get one more right here. There you go. Now roll to the other side, okay?
Okay.
Good. So bring this hand through and here, and bend this top one here.
Okay.
Let's get you. Let this roll back. And then we bring her over. She's already wanting to crack, but that's not the one we want. We want this one right here. Let that drop.
Oh.
There we go. On your back. Good.
Okay.
Good. Now open your hands up. Take a breath in and out, and let everything just sit back and relax.
Oh.
There you
That
go.
feels great.
Say that again?
That feels great.
That's awesome. Good. So.
Come on up.
A little tightness right here. We nice gentle move. Good. And right here. There you go.
Üfleyerek nefes ver. Bir daha. Evet. Serbest.
Efendim bu
Hafif
arada.
şimdi aşağı doğru bakıyorum. Nefes alın. Verin. Tamam. Böylesine bir, yani çok acı veren bir şey değil. Kesinlikle.
yalnız.
Sadece bir kütürt diye
Normal
ses
mi?
geldi.
O sesin
Tabii o
çıkması
ses çıkması
normal.
lazım
Peki.
zaten.
Peki.
Bu tarafa dengelemek için bakıyorum. Nefes al. Ver şimdi.
O
Tamam.
kütürt de oradan geldi.
Şimdi
İyi misin Art hocam?
Yo, hiç
Kalacak
merak
diye
etmeyin.
korkuyorum.
So I'm going to do a Gonstead cervical chair adjustment on her. There. And there.
Deep breath. All the way out. Beautiful. I don't do that to you, Miss Barber. Face this way for me. I'm nicer to you. Deep breath for me. Oh my, look how much that's opened up.
I
last
know.
couple times. Oh, this is the first time Miss Barber's watching.
I know.
Relaxing. Beautiful.
I'm going to try and get most of the correction done with just my hand. Very good.
Relax right here. Very good. Feel that movement in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Very good. Relax right in here for me. Nice. Very good movement. Excellent. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. Relax here for me. Very good. Relax here for me. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay facing the other way for me. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay face up for me.